So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, here is the question which says that calculate the volume concentration of 6.8 percentage volume weight by volume solution of hydrogen peroxide. And this kind of questions, like what happens really is student sees this type of questions from H2O2. They just mug up the formula, calculate there, they will get the answer. But once again, they will face these questions another time. By that time, they will have forgotten the formula, and again they will go just mug up the formula, and again the same process keeps on repeating. So this H2O2 concept is very very easy. Like what people and most of the students don't understand is that the definition of volume concentration. So the meaning of volume concentration is the liter of oxygen produced by 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide, right? So let me just write the formula. H2O2, 2H2O2 will give rise to 2H2O plus O2. So as we can see, if there are 2 moles of H2O2, then there will be 1 mole of oxygen, right? I don't know why, but there are some kind of formula, like if we have to convert into volume concentration from normalities, then calculate, then multiply it by 3.4, divide it by, then some kind of complete nonsense is there given in some of the books. But let's understand the concept first. So 2 mole of hydrogen peroxide will give rise to 1 mole of oxygen, right? And here we have 6.8 percentage volume by weight by volume solution of H2O2. So I can say that 6.8 gram in 100 ml of solution. So now 6.8 gram, so divided by 34, which is 0.2 mole of H2O2. So we have 0.2 mole of H2O2, and if 2 mole of H2O2 can produce 1 mole of O2, then 0.2 mole of H2O2 will produce 0.1 mole of oxygen, right? And which basically means that we'll be having 2.24 liter of oxygen, right? So now we just have to see, like, this was 100 ml solution, right? So 0.1 liter of H2O2 produced 2.24 liter of 2.24 liter of oxygen. Then 1 liter will produce 22.4 liter of oxygen, right? So this is the volume concentration of H2O2. Okay, see, it's a very easy concept, and you just have nothing to mug up here. Like, don't mug up any formulas, because this has happened with me. Every time you will forget. Like, just understand the concept of volume concentration, which is basically the liter of oxygen produced by 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide, and you will be able to solve literally any question from hydrogen peroxide. Okay, thank you so much.